Side Professor Sinha from the Commonwealth Vocational University. And first of all, I would like to thanks for your selections and your work toward the betterment of the global innovation, peace, and sustainable development. Definitely, it's a very good things. So, before proceeding with today's the interactive session, before starting the courseworks and research methodology and research works, research techniques, and research step, and what is the basic the research and why we do the research. I think today the best class to connect each other, interconnect each other, and help to each other. Okay. So one more thing is that research is totally understood that we have to search first. We have to search first. If we will not search, then we are not able to do the research. Okay. Means the thing is that we have to search, when we have to find out the mechanism and what we have to search, then we can do the research. Okay. So first of all, we will identify the mechanism in which way we will proceed further in the terms of the research and the mechanism to the research. How we can do the search and then do the mechanism for the research. Okay. So, may I know something about you and what's your the specialized area and what's your interest area, which way you want to do that, and why you've chosen this program, especially PhD and a DTA. Actually, as far as I've seen that, why you have choose these programs and choose the research. What's the reason behind them? What's motivating? Number one. Okay.
Sir, I am quite impassioned. Sir, I am quite impassioned about literature, and I am a blogger, a writer, and a poet, and I muse continuously. So, may I audible?
Yeah, definitely. Please proceed.
So, may I audible?
Yes, 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 yes.
Due to this impassioned attitude, yes, sir, so due
You
to
are
this
ready.
impassioned attitude, I want to go away. So since 5 years, I have been writing so many books. I have go through 200 books. I have been very much impassioned about literature, and that's why I want to research.
Okay. So,
I'm also an English honor student, and I have also postgraduate in English. Sir, please go ahead.
Yeah, any specialized area, any interest area where you want to do the search first. Have you searched anything?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I want to search about the absurd. I want to make a research proposal on the theme of absurdity, which after post World War, Second World War, the society was so much disillusioned, and there was a vague and meaningless life. That's why I was quite interested in that area, because currently in the pandemic situation, we are also grappling in that fear. We all are grappling in that fear, in the meaninglessness of life and the vague life. Currently, we are seeing, we are hoarding for sanitizers, we are hoarding for masks in such a way that we don't know what we are doing and what we are chasing for. In the similar way that the post-colonial writers, Albert Camus and Samuel Beckett, in Waiting for Godot, they have also written in the same way, the theme of absurdity. I want to make my research paper on the theme of absurdity.
Okay. Means
So please go ahead.
So what's your background? Means especially you did your master in the history.
Yes. English.
Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. The thing is that first I would like to clear about that. You have to search the mechanism. Means any way you want to improve the system. If you want to improve the system, you have to do the research. Okay. But the question is that if you want to add on the any values in the services, any value in the product, any value in the sustainability, we have to do the research. Means we have to adopt the mechanism. We have to adopt the mechanism, scientific way to identify the problems and scientific way to make a sustainable result in the scientific manner. Okay. So definitely the work is very effective and very reliable. So next I'm going to the Hussein. What is your area and why you have chosen this doctorate programs? What's the reason behind that?
To find and excel in basically in literature. To enhance my research method. To enhance and foster my creative ability. Because I'm a writer, I want to always research in various things. That's why I've decided to make this postgraduate program.
Actually, as you say that you did lots of work in the writing, lots of work in the writing, in the blog writing, and lots.
That is quite different from research, sir. So that is quite different from research, because creative writing is completely different from such type of academical writings. I have no idea about this type of writings. That's why I want to do some things. I want to excel in some things in which I have no idea. So that I can garner, so that I can gather some ideas from you.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. So before proceeding the research, means what are the mechanism and the research methodology, why do research, what are techniques and research tests. Again, I'm going to with the MS Hussein. Okay.
Yes.
So just I'm going to interact with the Hussein. So what's the reason behind that? Please.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to talk in front of you. I am Hussein. I am from Bangladesh. I did my bachelor in electrical and electronics engineering from North South University, which is one of the best university in Bangladesh. And then I have started my career as a lecturer, and I did teaching in private university for 6 months. After that, I moved on to corporate level and industry level. And I worked for Chevron, which is a well-known the oil and gas industry. I worked there for electrical and instrument engineer for 5 years in the oil and gas field. After that, I moved into another multinational company, which is known as the Chris Energy Limited. And I am pursuing almost 8 years over there. So altogether around 13 years, I am working in oil and gas industry, and I am leading a group of maintenance team, almost 100 members working under me. I am a department head up there. Meantime, I have did my advanced engineering diploma from Australia, which is Engineering Institute of Technology. So very recently, I did advanced business administration course from one of our leading university, which is known as Institute of Business Administration, IBA, under Dhaka University. So while I was going through, as I am now in the management level of plant maintenance, so while I am going through the course, there was 4 modules, like accounting finance for the basic managerial accounting on the fundamental accounting, and finance also, so marketing and HR, and also the strategic management. Actually, among those, the basic accounting and finance we did in our bachelor level, and also we are, as I am working almost 13 years in the industry, so I did the accounting and finance had the basic knowledge. But the things, the marketing and strategy, that was actually catch or was lucrative for me, especially the changes occurring in the industry 4 and the marketing for the revolution, which is taking place in context the data analysis of big data. And if you look in the world, the data analysis and all the information, the software based company are booming now. So among these, the marketing for or the online marketing or SEO, all those actually now leading in the market. But what is the next? So how the generation will face? What will be the implication of the data analysis? All those things actually, like in my mind, to make me interested to know more about. In the other side, while I was in the strategic management, so to run a business, strategy is very important. And for the leadership point of view, if you don't make your strategy in the first place, then you, or if even you are an entrepreneur or a business leader, you cannot go more forward with your plan to make it successful. So the strategy and the marketing, these two area actually I feel interested, but the context, the mechanic of research yet to finalize, because after the course or interacting with you, getting your feedback and the insights, then I can finalize that in which area would be better for me, because I am from a technical background. Now moving on the business strategy or business administration level. So your guidance is very essential for me to move forward. And in future, I want to see me in a leading role in corporate to run the business like as a CEO. So I believe that course will shape me to reach my goal. So that's my expectation from this course. Thank you.
Okay, definitely very good introduction. Hossein, I think you mentioned Hossein, no? Hello.
Yes, sir, Hussein.
Hussein. So, Hussein, I would like to say something. First of all, again, that is a congratulations. You did lots of things. But my question is that you have identified any problem? You have identified any problem which you want to solve for the forthcoming generation?
Yes, sir. Actually, if you look in the industry 4, yeah, most of our local company is not ready with the changes. Still, we are looking into the industry 3, like the PLC or the manpower base, like the man-based industry running practice. But what about the changes like the other industry or multinational company or the like the in German, they have already changes their technology. So to accustom with the changes, the at the industry or the garment, especially the garments factory or the steel factory, those are ready? They are not. Most of the industry leader are not much accountants or aware of the changes. While what is happened that we change our technology or we adopt it at the last place. Like if you take an example about the pandemic, very little institution of our country has the facility with the online teaching, but those few already shape or facilitate those or introduce the system in their teaching methodology and make the changes. They are now leading. So same thing will happen while industry 4 will come and marketing will take the place. So we are not ready. Our company are not ready. So there is a gap, and this is a problem, or this is an opportunity to make people aware of the changes, how the industry 4 will take the place, and what will happen if our manpower are not skilled or ready to adapt with the changes. Then a lot of people will be out of the market because of the upgradation. They will not even upgrade their skill, so they will not match with the future challenges. So that is there is a scope or opportunity here exists, and that need to be sorted out.
So one more thing, definitely these are the problem in the business also. This is a problem. Business challenge is the worldwide. No problem. It is Bangladesh. It is the worldwide problem. But do you have identified any literature review? Means any research report you have shared, you have seen or not?
No.
The thing is that right now you are saying the problem, this is the problem. Right now you are saying this is the problem, and we have identified the problem. But so what are the validation of this problem? This anyone also are validated or not? When anyone issue these problems or not? This is your problem. This is a hypothetical problem. Okay. Getting my point?
Yeah, got it, sir.
My problem is that, okay, no problem. This is your problem. Means this is your observation. That is the problem. Okay, this is your observation. No, who are going to support your observations? Who are going to support? And any literature review are there? Any research report are there? Any white paper are there? Any scientific report are there? Any discussion paper are there for the same? Because the thing is that when we identify any problem, means two types of problem there. One problem till date we have not observed. Okay, just like a Newton. Newton just observed the problem and they prepared the report. Getting my point? And they make the rules, they make the regulation, make the law of attraction and lots of things there. Okay. So the thing, same problem is a very new problem. This is not a new problem. Okay, number one. Means this is not a new problem. No, question is that how we can solve this problem. You have any idea? Because during this course works, I am going to share with some concept is how we can solve the problem when we identify the problem in the hypothetical manner, how we can solve it in a scientific manner. Okay, that is called the research methodology. Basically, research methodology is the technique. It is a technique to identify and define the problem and make a strategic guidelines to solve the problem. Okay, strategic guidelines to solve the problem. Then during this course work, we will discuss about that, which we can solve the problem effectively and efficiently of any problem, whatever the problem. It may be related with the science, it may be related to technology, it may be related to the applied science, it may be the history, it may be civics, it may be geography, and whatever this. Any problem on the world can be solved through the scientific manner. Okay, so we have made a policy, we have the mechanism to the problem, solve the problem, that is known as the research methodology. We will share the methods. Okay, no question. I have already said that before solving any research problem, we have to search. Definitely, you all search the problem, means related with that, you share the observed behavior. Okay, so I think means nothing else, you share the observed behavior, but what's the cause of that? Why it's happened? What's the reason behind that? What's the reason behind that? So for that, when we will identify the problem behind these problems, then we have to see the literature, available literature from the books, from the white paper, from the research paper, from the review papers, or from the discussion papers. Okay, then we will identify definitely this is a problem, and this problem is solved by the different author also, different scientists also, but we have to find out the gap. What are the unique we are going to propose? Okay, what are the unique concept we are going to propose for the research? Okay, so that will give the new path for the new path for the forthcoming generation. Okay, forthcoming generation means today you are identifying the problem. Why you are going to solve the problem? You are going to solve problem only one reason, that you want to upgrade the system, you want to add on the system, you want to give the right path to the forthcoming generation. Okay, Hossein. Hello, Hossein.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I am with you.
Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
The problem is that you have identified the problem, strategy and marketing. Strategy and marketing is a very big thing, because any business success depend on the strategy. Okay, and second is that their sales and marketing and distribution point of view. Okay, so strategy matter. So what are the methods available for the strategy management? What are the available methods? And who are the very expert in this area who given the expression and statement toward the strategic and marketing management? Okay, Means for that we have to go, we have to find out the way, we have to find out the literature review, we have to find out the strategy toward that, then we will able to identify the real problems. Okay. So what I am going to suggest to you, because this is a very introduction class. So I personally like to, before proceeding further and within the coursework, I like to guide you which way you can prepare your research proposal also. Okay. Research, because the thing is not theoretical part, research proposal also means how you can prepare the research proposals, because before allocating the supervisor, you must know the techniques and mechanisms. Then you have to interact with the supervisor for the solve the problems. Okay, getting my point? So
yes,
my point is that the strategy and marketing is not a new problem. Means this is the very long way. We have crossed the journey. We are going the Christian era of the journey, that is the 2021. Okay. So during the 2021, we all are doing business in the different scenario. Okay. We all are across the world. Across the world, lots of people are doing the problem, or they are going to get success in the various strategic methodology, strategic methods. Okay. And they did the business, and you are also saying that we have to identify the problems, and the problem need to be solved by you. Okay, first you have to identify the problem, and then you have to solve the problem. Okay, and the solution must be scientific in nature. Okay, solution must be scientific in nature and readily acceptable by the people. Okay, readily.
Yes, sir.
Means your paper, your techniques, your method, your theory, your algorithm must be acceptable by the public. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Means you have studied lots of, you have studied in the B in the electronics, I think, huh? Or I will guess. You have studied the B in electronics or oil and gas?
Sir, yes, I did in electrical and electronics.
Okay, means electrical in electronics means you know the antenna, you know the computers, you know the mechanism, you know the programming, you know the database management, you know all the things. Okay, definitely.
Not all that things. I know very little.
No. The thing is that I am not going to say that is very little. The thing, basic concept is that a database is the very big things. Okay, but method and mechanism is very small. Method and mechanism is very, means the thing is that which way you are going to adopt the technology, which way you are going to use the technology, which way you are going to spread the technology for the betterment of the human and humanities, it matters. Okay, means you know the theory is the same. Theory is the same across the world. Theory is the same across the world, but mechanism to adoption is the different. Okay, means philosophers is the same, but way of grasping depend on our strategy. Okay, and before proceeding against it, definitely you all are working very hard and you are very well aware about that, what we are going to do that. Okay, why you are going to do the research? Because first we have to search the mechanisms, what are the search and what are the problem. Means first we have to identify and define the problem. So definitely one part behavior, means observed behavior is the very big problem. Means why it's happened, because it also lead with the psychologist. It's also leads by the psychologist. Not the only parts of the history. Okay, it is a part of the psychology. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the thing is that we have to very strategy to identify the problem. So I am going to share this. Definitely the mechanism of the doctorate program, the basic mechanism is that you must know the how to solve the problem in real life nature. Okay, because you have to convince the people. Till date, you have studied. When you study, you have the book. When you study, you have the book. Okay, and when professor and teacher evaluate based on your bookish knowledge, okay, your understanding knowledge, your analytical skill. No, it is totally different. Okay, it is totally different. No, you have to identify the problem and you have to solve the problem and you have to convince the solution to the public. Okay, and your thesis shall be the part and parcel for the forthcoming generation. Okay, because your contribution shall be remarkable, and maybe you will create the very impacted part. You will create the very good framework for the your requisite course of the structure. You will prepare the algorithm for the betterment of this mechanism. You will prepare the framework for the development of a new mechanism. So what are the mechanism? It doesn't matter. But mechanism is that it must be acceptable by the public. Okay, must be acceptable by the public.
Acceptable and approved by public.
Yeah, because the thing is that we can't say that this is my product. I know this is a very good product. No, we can't say that. We have to, because this product is used by the public. Okay. Maybe your theory that we use by the public, maybe your product that we use by the public, maybe your mechanism, maybe your algorithm, maybe the theory that we use by the public for the betterment of their company, betterment for their behavior analysis, betterment for their mechanism. Okay, getting my point?
Sir.
So the thing is that research methodology is the mechanism. It is a mechanism to identify the problem effectively and efficiently and give the path and give the solution in the scientific method to the public for the betterment of the entire things. Okay. So before proceeding further, I'm going to share the WhatsApp number also. Okay.
Yes, sir. That is very useful.
Yeah, I'm going to share my WhatsApp number also. So just note down the WhatsApp number. So whenever any technical difficulty and anything is there, just convey the message effectively. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Getting my Mohsin. So I'm just writing my number to you. This is my number. Okay, this is my number. This is my WhatsApp number also.
96025704998.
Okay, so and that is actually at the last we will share the interaction with the supervisor also. Okay. So further, today is the very interactive sessions. We work together and we are going to share the idea and mechanism each other.
Sir, sorry to interrupt you. So sorry to interrupt you. Your number is 96025704998.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Then you may also write that this is that 91960. I think this is okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, please.
So regarding the finding, actually identification of problem to getting looking for the solution. The identification is the problem is first steps to for the starting the research work, right?
Yeah.
So if I look into the strategic management that for a business, normally it look for the two way, like if either the differentiation or cost management, cost leadership. Regarding the this like cost leadership, some company work on the cost leadership, and some company look for go with the strategy with differentiation. But while the blue ocean strategy come, they working with the both, like the at a time with the cost leadership and the differentiation. So again, the blue ocean strategy for the new product, and again while it goes to the old, it again goes with the like either differentiation or cost leadership, like red ocean strategy, red ocean. So again, if I am looking on the problem, like in our country, there are many company who it has the data. I will share with you data later because currently not available with me. So company don't think about the long term, like long time vision, like or the strategy in which way they will move, cost leadership or differentiation. They don't think away, only think about the profit or the bottom line.
Actually,
So
Mohin, I would like
there is many failure case in our country or worldwide. So so that could be an research area for to work on, like why people are not looking into the proper way to start a business, or entrepreneurs can look or research more that how they can start a proper way to eliminate or get rid of all those challenges.
no. Actually, as per the read and blue ocean concern of the business, okay, read and blue ocean concern of the business. Any business on this earth, any business, entirely based on the two things: whether you are going to increase the performance, okay, and whether you are going to decrease the cost, okay. Whether you are going to increase the performance of the business and whether you are going to decrease the cost of the product, okay. And another matter is that we need to increase the performance within time frame and within budget, okay. These are the three basic problems. Means if we are going to purchase anything, we want to purchase as cheap, affordable cost with good performance, okay, good performance.
Yeah.
So if you are going to in the red ocean, means lots of competition are there, in the same types of product, same types of business and services are there, but still lots of product are there, okay. If you are going to create a new market like the blue ocean, okay, new market for the product and service, definitely that is a very challenging task. But still, if you have the strategic guidelines, means you have the strategic guidelines and strategic data interpretation mechanism, definitely you can do that, okay. Like here in India, you have seen the mechanism of the Reliance Jio, okay. You have seen the mechanism of Reliance Jio, or within 5 to 6 years, they change the whole telecommunication provider in the within one packets, okay. So they create on way. So same across the world, lots of people are working in the same directions to create the blue ocean, because when try to imagine that during the 1994, 95 and 2000, no such types of information technology mechanism were there. I know when in 1994, when I used to see the internet, we have that was the very chargeable, okay. In 1995, first time Windows 95 operating system launched by the Microsoft, and they changed the drastically in the a drastic change in the computer market and computer world. Okay, then you have also witnessed lots of softwares and software development mechanisms and amalgamation of information technology and communication technology also there. And now we are in the phase we are interacting each other without any if and buts. Okay, so that is the result. Means lots of research are there. This is not a one-day research. Okay, so my question is that Hosseins is working in this area, and their area is very effective. So which area you want to study? Blue ocean area or red ocean areas?
Blue ocean.
Blue ocean area. So blue ocean area, if you are blue ocean area there, you have to identify the literature review on that. Okay, first try to identify the literature review on that on the blue ocean area business strategy. Write down the topic. Okay, please. The strategy to create the business strategy creation in a blue ocean. Okay, then you will
I hope Hussein will write it.
No. I'm going to discuss this. No. You have to not. Okay. Because your area is totally different. So I'm going to discuss this. Okay.
Completely different, sir.
But one more thing is that you will learn a lot. Okay, you will learn.
Yes, I am learning so much things. This versatile knowledge.
Because you will learn a lot. So Hossein, one thing is
about this thing.
Yeah. So the blue ocean area of the business strategy, you have to find this. You have to just type this keyword on the Google. Okay. You have to write three different statements. Means blue ocean strategy, blue ocean strategy, blue ocean marketing strategy, blue ocean marketing strategy. Okay. And research paper on the blue ocean marketing strategy. Okay. During 2018 to 2021. During 2018 to 21. Okay. And next you have to search about the any framework, means framework for blue ocean business strategy. Okay, blue ocean business strategy. Okay, so this topic, when you type on the Googles, okay, when you type in the Googles, you will find out the various literature, various view, various audio and video clip are also. Okay. After studying on this, you have to prepare the report. Okay, you have to prepare the report. What other authors and other people are saying about this? Okay, getting my point? What's
okay? So that need to be unique. Like other author did not mention. I need to find out the new.
That is called the gap. Okay, means first you have to search. Means definitely you have to search the mechanism about the strategy and marketing and blue ocean. You have identified the blue ocean. We have that. Definitely blue ocean there. But you know that across the world, very few people across the world, very few people know about this mechanism. Okay, very few.
Yeah, I read the book actually a few days back. The Blue Ocean Strategy. That was really interesting. After watching few books on the Michael Porter.
So when you share this mechanism, so I was so surprised that's how people are knowing these things. Because at the age of 40 plus, I know these things, but these young guys know the mechanism. So definitely that's a very good thing, very interesting. Okay. So As for the my especially specialized area is also computer science. And another thing is that I guided more than 20 PhD in areas for the electronics and communications and the computer science, information technology. So maybe I may be your supervisor. Don't worry about that. Okay. So I'm very
My
surprised
pleasure,
to
sir.
see.
Yeah, it's it will be great for
So
me having you as supervisor. Yeah, yeah. Of definitely on the related field and also a huge experience.
yeah, definitely because I am a professor in information and communication technology also. Okay. I'm a promoter of the global innovation, peace and prosperity development for sustainable development. And another thing is that I am the representative of United Nations also in this the technology infrastructure. I am a development consultant of the Republic of South Sudan also. Okay. So that's why I am sharing this idea because when you share the blue ocean and the red ocean, so I was totally surprised that people are very more aware about that. Means generation is very energetic. No, definitely I will enjoy these things. Okay. So my strategy is that just do I have just suggested two different points. Means the topic you have to just advance. Be focused. Be focused. Okay. Be focused. You have to not change your idea. Okay. You have not changed your idea. You have not changed the mechanism because if you will focus with your goals, definitely you will achieve the desired output. Okay. And
Yes,
that
sir.
will so framework for the blue ocean. If anyone one has a prepared, if anyone has a prepared, just studies. Okay, because book is totally different. Book is totally different because book is the just author philosophy. Okay, book
Yes,
is
Yes, sir.
just author philosophy. We can't able to identify the what are the basic problems. Okay, when you will study about the white paper, write the topic, keyword. I'm just setting the keyword. White paper on blue ocean. It is blue ocean framework. Okay. Discussion paper on the blue ocean. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
another point is that a strategic guideline for the blue ocean creation for the new entertainers. Okay. New business entertainers, the new business leaders when they will enter in the market. So what's are the strategy they have to focus about that? Okay, getting my point.
Sir, last one is strategic guideline for the new business startup.
Entertainer, new
Okay,
business
new.
entertainer. Okay,
Okay, sir.
because you are going to create a new venture, and if you are going to new venture means this is also very good question. Means your study maybe for the new venture because we can't solve the lots problem because when you will do the research you will identify lots of a problem. Okay, but
Yes,
we
sir.
have to solve one particular problem. Okay, one particular problem. We can't solve lots of problem because if you will go the lots of problem, it will take long time. Okay, means a small
Okay, sir.
problem just solve and accomplish the task of this doctorate programs. Okay, and proceed further and do implement it also in the real life. Okay, because
Yes,
what
sir.
the problem as per the my observation because more than I have guided more than 159 PhD scholars and my skill is that only 96% PhD is just like academic in nature. Okay, means no conversion academic in the industry. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so means they are stored in the library and you get awarded with a degree but they are already
hmm,
sold in the market. Okay,
yes,
there's no use of the that research papers, no use of the research report, no use of the discussion papers like that. So no problem about that. But I am going to show. Today. This is my first interaction, and based on that, I'm going to share you that your vision is very strong. Okay, very strong And the fourth, industry 4.0 and 5.0 is entirely based on this new machine and reduction business. Okay,
Yes, sir.
because after the COVID and pandemic, lots of new business is going to create. Okay, lots of
Yeah.
new studies and new problems is going to create by the society, and these problems shall be solved by all the new entertainers, new researchers. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so these topics just study, we will discuss this in the tomorrow also. Okay, then we will start the mechanism, because that is the very good point you raise. So another important thing I'm going to share with the this the extraordinary behavior. Again, I'm come to the, I think, what's your name?
Sir, it is Sudipta.
Udipta. Okay.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, no problem.
Sir, it is Sudipta. My name is
Yeah.
Sudipta. I'm
Sudipta,
basically from Odisha. My name is Sudipta.
Odisha means where in Odisha? Odisha is the state, no?
So I can understand.
Means where in Odisha?
Oh, Puri. It is the abode of Jagannath temple. Puri. I'm from Puri.
Means you are in a very big place, no? Jagannath Puri.
It is a pilgrimage place, and we are blessed. Have blue sea, golden
Actually,
sea, and of course Jagannath, Balbhadra, and Subhadra.
yeah, I know that because I visited 3 times over there.
So you have visited Puri. So you have visited Puri.
Yeah, I have already visited
Okay.
3 times because
So we
recently
are very close to Jagannath temple also. My house is also very close to Jagannath temple. It is amidst blue sea and Jagannath temple. It's between. My house is between.
Next time when I visited, definitely we will meet. Okay.
Yes. I'll be overwhelmed.
Okay, because in Bhubaneswar, I have on instructions. Okay, because our chapter is also there in the Bhubaneswar. Okay, Bhubaneswar. Okay. So next is that as a historical researcher, okay, you're entirely research based on the history. So what do you think about that? You have studied the problem. What do you think about that? This history, basic problem about that you have identified the observed. So what are in your mind regarding these problems? What problem?
Already so many writers have written. Sir, already so many writers have written on absurd themes. They have made some plays also, numerous plays they have written, and I have also read some of their plays like Waiting for Godot, Chair, and Endgame by Samuel Beckett. And I have studied. I have come to a point that the meaninglessness of life is also pursuing till now also in the current pandemic period. We are also facing the same problem. That's why I have decided to research, to trace about the morbid and absurd behavior, about the vague behavior. It is completely about the existentialism theory, in which we pursue something, but we don't know to whom we pursue, to who we pursue. We don't know about anything. But like a cat and rat race, we are just chasing everything.
Actually,
so, at the end.
Actually, I'm going to share the basic thing is that because you are in the Puri, okay, and yes. Puri is the very big pilgrimage state place is also, and lots of people are visiting in this area daily. Okay.
Yes, sir, Delhi.
So you may also use this sample from these people also. Okay.
Yes, I can.
Okay, means when you will study, during the study, you have to identify the problems. When you have to ask the problems, you have asked the questions with the people, then you will be able to identify the real problems. Okay.
Okay.
Means two things is that first is the we have to study the literature review, okay, on this
Yes. Mm.
latest literature review, okay, not old like that, okay, latest literature review, and after that after that we have to make some questionnaires, and then we will prepare the sampling up, okay. So in this way we can solve the problem effectively and efficiently. So, so with the assignment, any one of the questions, because today before closing the sessions, I would like to ask any questions you have, then you may ask.
Sir, you're not actually audible. Hmm. Sir, you're not actually audible.
Oh, am I audible? Like, what's your problem? Yeah, Mohsin. Hello.
Yes, sir. I am hearing you. You are audible. Yeah. No problem
Yeah.
on my side.
No. Actually, what's the problem? This is their problem. No problem. Already technology problem. This is also problems. Okay. Because
Actually, sir, I have seen your profile in LinkedIn. It was very impressive. While you just knocked me in the Telegram, so it was really impressive, and I have seen that your career and you are engaged in various activities and in various academic and professional things. It's really interesting and impressive for me, and I feel interest because of now it's very tough to get the both blending of like the professional and academic experience person in real life. Those are academic really based on the like books and theory. They don't much experience on the practical issues that you just recent few minutes back you addressed. So that is very essential.
So maybe data has been exhausted. That's why I can't hear anything. So now, sir, I am audible.
Yeah, definitely. Just wait. I'm discussing with Mohsin. Okay, please.
Okay, sir. It's okay.
Yeah.
So, sir, your observation is very accurate, and 100% I agree with that. That people have the academic, but not the practical problem. What people are, especially the customer or the general people are facing, they don't bother about it, or they don't take account in their research or the thesis paper. So that is very good things you have shared, and I think it will be very interesting to work with you in future as well.
No. Actually, definitely. Actually, I'm very happy to see your passion. That's why I have just offered. I will talk with the university personnel also. So I will guide with this guy because he has created lots of problems. So definitely, our duty is to solve these problems. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
because I recently just guide 5 DBA candidate also and a postdoctorate fellowship also. Okay. So my concern is that your work is very good and your all activity is very good. Okay. So proceed further and just try to study because you are the researcher. I am not a researcher. Try to understand because you have to solve the problem. Okay. I will just felicitate the best way for the scientific way to get the solution. Okay.
Yes.
Best way to solve the problem and what are the best study to make the solution. If you will create this problem solutions, it may be the eligible for the Nobel Prize also. Okay. This is a very challenging task. Very challenging. I don't know about that. What are the synergy of that? Because the research is not a very small thing. But still, if your solution is very effective and based on your framework, based on your the research, based on your algorithm, people get benefit. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So you will get lots of things. Okay. In terms of money, in terms of respect, in terms of the goodwill, lots of things are there. Okay. So just do study. Tomorrow we will again meet them. And I will share the link if any face the problems, just convey the message. Okay. Because I don't know about the technology because we are entirely based on the technology, but still technology may be failed. Okay. So we have
Yeah.
to also think about the second backup plan of that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So with the same time, just study on that. We will discuss tomorrow. Okay, with same time in the strategy, and then after the from the next week onward, we will study on the literatures and another things. And after that, we will again come to the basic problems about that, give the practical problem solution of the that. Okay, because
Okay.
theoretical part is totally different and practical part is totally different. Okay, but
Yes, sir.
as per the university concerned, we have to accomplish the theoretical parts are there, but as per life concerned, we have to go on the practical parts also. Okay, because
Yes, sir.
after the degree, your practical mechanism and practical knowledge matter. Okay,
Yes, sir.
because only you can't do the means degree gives just like a passport, but you have the practical knowledge that will give the very easily to get the visa across the world. Okay, very easy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, till that, thank you very much. Okay, any question? Hello, any question?
Sir, sir, hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
Sir, I am
Yes,
yeah,
sir, I
here.
have to raise one question.
please.
Actually, I'm afraid you. Sir, actually, I'm afraid, sir, you will be not my supervisor. I hope you will be my supervisor in the next future times.
Oh,
Hello.
actually, the area I'm identify for you very big, good faculty member. Don't worry about that. Okay.
Okay. I think you will be my supervisor.
No, actually, the thing is that history may be identified with someone. Okay, because my area of specialization not in the history and another things, but my specialize in the computer science, engineering, electronics and communications, and artificial
Okay.
intelligence, and fourth generations mechanism and industry aspects, and the business intelligence, agent mediated technology. These are there, not history. But as a researcher, as a research scholar, I can say that definitely the mechanism and method is the same for all the profession. Okay,
Yes, the method is same. Yes, sir.
method is the same,
Yes,
but
sir.
knowledge means just like if we are going to talk with the doctor will use the different keyword. If you are going to talk with the
Yes.
mathematician, they will use the different keyword. If you are going to talk with the accounts and finance professional, they will talk in the form of debit and credit. They are not going to talk in your terminology. Okay,
Hmm.
and if you are going to in a history, lots of
Yes,
terminology
sir.
are there. I am not aware about that terminology because when
Sir, my
question
department is English.
English.
It's not history, sir. My department is English. Yes, sir.
Okay, English. Okay, okay, no problem, don't
Yes,
worry,
sir. My
don't
department is
worry.
English.
Actually,
Okay.
we will come after 2 months because I am with you for the 2 months. Don't worry about that. Okay, we will accomplish this task.
It will be
Then you
over.
then supervisor will
Uh,
come. Okay, don't worry. Then supervisor will come. Okay.
uh. Yes, yes, yes. Because I am very much familiar with you, and the coming 2 months will be richer. Will be richer. Will gain. I will gain richer experience with you in coming
Okay.
2 months.
No problem. I am with you. Don't worry about that because the entire universities and
Yes,
lots
sir.
of things, I'm always there. But just do things. That means just try to do the research scientifically. Okay. Because try
Yes,
to
sir.
start some study.
Yes, sir.
Because leader only,
Yes, sir.
only reader can be the leader. Reader can be the leader. Getting my point?
Okay.
Means if we will start the
Yes,
reading
sir.
and you start the study, you will be make an impact of the society. Okay,
So from now
so
on, I will do the research in Google.
not research,
Yes,
search, first search, not research, first search.
I will
Okay,
trace. I will trace. I will sort. I will trace, sir.
yeah, because searching mechanism is entirely different. Okay, first search, identify the problem, then find out the gap, then we will create the research.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
Getting my point, Sachin? Means first
Yes, sir.
try to understand the problem first. Okay. So try to understand the problem simultaneously and study on that. And meanwhile, I will also discuss the historical parts, means the theoretical parts of the topic also. Okay. And along with just study on the topic, we will discuss it also.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
At any
Yes, sir.
stage you feel any
Completely okay.
at any stage you feel any difficulty, because you feel any difficulty, just share with me. You doesn't matter about the subject, matter is that problems. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
I will try to help you at earliest. Okay. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Masin, thank you very much. Thank you for today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye, sir.